जनतेच्या हो कल्याणासाठी काँग्रेसची सत्ता बरी, विश्वासाची परंपरा ही हाताची साथ खरी, जनतेच्या हो कल्याणासाठी काँग्रेसची सत्ता बरी, विश्वासाची परंपरा ही हाताची साथ खरी.
A press conference was held at Navi Mumbai District Congress Bhavan, Vashi, to inform about the Indian Youth Congress elections for the year 2021 is going to happen soon. Zonal Regional Officer from Indian Youth Congress Election Commission, Mukul Gupta, visited Navi Mumbai to announce about election protocol, membership and nomination model. Reporter of Palika Prasashan, Riya Charania, interacted with Mukul Gupta, in which she gave a detailed information about the election process.
The Indian Youth Congress elections for the year 2021 is about to happen soon, and we have with us Zonal Regional Officer from Indian Youth Congress Election Commission, Mr. Mukul Gupta. So, sir, we would like to know about the election process which is about to happen.
Thank you to Palika Prasashan, and my name is Mukul Gupta. I am working as a ZRO in Maharashtra zone and in Thane zone in Maharashtra, and I am here to launch the membership drive from 12th of November to 12th of December, and from 27th of October to 1st of November we are call for nominations who want to elect the elections in my zone, and this is open for all. Anyone of 18 to 35 of youngsters can apply for the membership, and also they can fight for the elections of state assembly, state body, district body and assembly body. And we have some reservation in general secretaries for women, handicap, SC/ST and BPL. And from after 1.5 months we will close this membership drive and give you the results for the final state candidates, district candidates and assembly candidates for the new elected body of the Pradesh Yuva Congress.
So, what will be the nomination fees for those who can contest in the elections?
Okay, for the state candidates it is 7,500, and for the reserve people it is 44,000, and for assembly it is 1,000, and as for the district it's 1,500.
So, what appeal would you like to give to the youth so they'll participate in more number and join Congress, Indian Youth Congress?
Actually, I want to tell that everyone from our youth from Maharashtra, this is the opportunity to prove yourself and being a part of the politics of Indian National Congress and the part of the Youth Congress. Shri Rahul Gandhi ji give you the opportunity to directly contest the election and being the member and the organization designatory in the Indian Youth Congress.
Riya Charania's report with cameraman Sandeep for Palika Prashasan, Vashi, Navi Mumbai.